Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about the problem C, which is game on leaves from the Codeforces from 646 due to. The problem states that we have two players Ayush and Ashish which they play a game on unrooted tree. Here unrooted tree means the tree has no root at all. The tree consisting of n nodes numbered from 1 to n and players will take their turns. For each of their turn they will choose a leaf node from the tree and remove that node along with the edge. Here the given tree is undirected graph without cycles. So, and also we are given a special node numbered x. The player who removes this node will win the game. So finally we need to print the answer who wins the game if each player plays optimally. Before going to this, everyone thinks that the problem is about trees. We need to do some kind of DFS or BFS in order to get the answer, but no need to do that. We can simply do this problem. So let's dive into the approach of this problem. As mentioned in the problem, the tree is unrooted tree. So let's think what happened if we make x as rooted. Nothing problem, right? There is no problem if we make x our special node as root. So let's draw some trees with special node as root. So these can have three or more children like this, or for those children can have those children. Yeah, sorry. Mm, this is a tree for it can have only left and right. So fine. This is one of the form. The other form can be like this. It can be of the form, right? Like this, right? It can be of this form. So let's discuss first this problem. Here our special node is leaf, right? It is a leaf. So the Ayush who is the first turn will directly remove this special node and he will win, right? Okay, let's come to this. Here our players Ayush and Ashish will keep on select the leaf node and delete the node along with edge. Okay, done, 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 done. So let's discuss this scenario. In this scenario, what we have is we have our special node x and two nodes further. So in this, the player whose turn in this scenario will definitely lose because he has no other option. He need to remove either this or this. If you remove this, then it will become leaf. Then automatically other player will win. So what we have done is we have n nodes. If n equal to 1, then we no need to do anything. We just need to print Ayush because he is the first turn. He will directly run. Okay. Next. Next. For n nodes, we need to check the parity after removing these three nodes, right? In order to tell who is winning the game. So if n minus 3 mod, there are two players, 2. So if this is the case, if n minus 3 mod 2 is odd, or if it is even. If it is even, then who will wins? Definitely Ashish will wins. If it is odd, Ayush will wins. Right? So that's thing. So how we can handle this? We will check degree. Right? We can handle this by whenever we are taking the edges, if we encounter any x node, we will we will increase the degree plus plus, right? So if that degree is less than or equal to 1, so definitely who will wins? Ayush will wins, right? So Ayush will wins. So this simple as it is. So let's look into the code for detail for explanation. This is my solution to that problem. This simple it is. Here I have taken test cases, I have taken the number of nodes and special node, and I initialized the degree equal to 0, and I have taken the information about the edges. Here u is from and v is to, we can denote like that. And if that is equal to our special node, we will increase our degree. Then if we will check the case where the special node is a leaf. For that, our degree should be less than or equal to 1, right? So for that, if the degree is less than or equal to 1, then our special node will become leaf node. So then directly Ayush will wins. Okay. Then if our then we come to the second scenario where we left with three nodes, and we need to decide who will wins based on the parity. So if n minus 3 mod 2, that means if n minus 3 mod 2 equal to 0, if it is even, then Ayush is the turn in that case where that three nodes will remain. So Ayush will definitely lose. So Ashish will wins. So if that is odd, Ashish will definitely lose. Ayush will wins.